Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I attend primary school, so we're going to study today science grade 5. We're going to learn about measuring temperature. Measuring temperature. So before that, what is temperature itself? Temperature is the hotness or coldness of an object. It's the hotness or coldness of a body or an object. An instrument that is used to measure temperature. Measuring temperature of an object, air, liquid it's called a thermometer. We use a thermometer to measure temperature. All the thermometers have a scale on them. This is called a temperature scale. To find out the temperature of a liquid or a solid, we read a temperature scale. We're going to see what a temperature scale is. Temperature scale is read in degrees. The most common used to measure temperature is degrees Celsius. Degrees Celsius. Look at the picture of a thermometer. This is a thermometer. So it has a temperature scale. The temperature scale is the numbering in the thermometer. It's called a temperature scale. We use degrees Celsius. We use degrees Celsius. You observe the thermometer, you can find that it contains a liquid, usually mercury. Inside the thermometer, you see, look at that red stuff. The red stuff is called mercury. Other thermometers contain alcohol. The alcohol used is usually colored to enable us read the temperature. Thermometer contains two liquids in them. One is mercury, another one is alcohol, the colored alcohol. So inside it has that liquid. This liquid increases, it rises up when the temperature is high, it drops when it is low. So we use a thermometer to measure temperature. Temperature has a temperature scale, which is this number. Inside the thermometer, we have here a liquid. The two liquids that are mostly used are mercury and alcohol. An increase in the temperature of a liquid or solid being measured makes the mercury or alcohol expand and increases up the tube. When the temperature is high, the mercury expands and increases. It goes high. The temperature rises is then read against the scale. When the temperature increases or when the temperature is high, the mercury goes up. So we read the temperature of that object or a body. Let us move to the next page. A decrease in the temperature of a solid or a liquid being measured makes the mercury or alcohol contract, drops down the tube. The temperature drop is read against the scale. When the temperature is high, the mercury increases and it goes up, then you read the temperature through the scale. Thermometer is used to measure daily air temperature. Thermometer is used to measure daily air temperature, temperature of liquids, and also our body temperature. We use a thermometer to measure our body temperature. Example, when you're sick, you go to the hospital. So if you have fever, they'll bring a thermometer to measure you, to measure your temperature. Which thermometers do we use in hospital to measure our body temperature? We use clinical thermometer. We use clinical thermometer to measure body temperature. Body temperature is measured using clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is mostly used in most hospitals. This is the end of our chapter. Our chapter was about matter. It's now finished. This is the end of this chapter. Inshallah, we shall begin the last chapter, which is Unit 10. Inshallah, that is the end of our lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.